I'm never really good at telling if this is going or not, which is why I'm probably always going to end up starting this in a mirror. But, one moment. I'm going to clean all the shit out of my room. And at the same time attempt to hold this on the same angle. Nope. Okay. So, my parents just went out, which is usually when I do videos, because they would think I'm weird walking around the house talking to myself with a camera. But I just spent like what's the time? Oh my god. I just spent an hour on Tumblr, not doing anything really, but I've been writing out a text post that's actually quite long, but it's not actually that long to read, so, oh, how was that? I have an amazing habit of stopping the camera with my finger because the button's where I hold it. Yeah. So, hopefully you can see me. I'll just sit back here. I don't know where the video stopped, but I will fix it. What was I saying? Yeah, I don't think the post I'm writing out is very long to read, but it's actually taken a really long time to write out because I've had to go through all the thoughts in my head and all the memories and like remember what happened and then put it into the points that I've got. And the people that follow me on Tumblr will know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm so fucking exciting. Like seriously, I've done nothing today at all. It is 2:30 and I'm sitting in my room and I'm not even ready to do anything and I'm just on Tumblr on the computer, like woohoo. But whatever, cool story. But that's that. And I'm gonna read through it and just hate my life some more. But aside from that, that needs a comma. Am not going to do anything except listen to music and aimlessly wander the internet looking for interesting things. I might just go on that meme thing online and look at velociraptors and socially awkward penguins. Yay! Next time I go out with one of my friends or a few of my friends, I will make a video, but that is, I don't know when that'll be. I have a couple from yesterday, but I'm not going to put those on YouTube because they aren't really good. But yes, so basically I just keep saying a whole bunch of connecting words and it sounds like I'm actually talking about something I know what I'm talking about. I'm really thirsty. I'm really hungry. I feel like baking. I want to bake some cookies and eat them in my room. How was that? Okay. I'm gonna go because my life is truly exciting. Hi, here it is. I'm not gonna let it focus long enough for you to be able to read it though, because people on Facebook, if they see this, will be like, ew. And there is a reason that I don't let everyone know my blog's URL. Okay. Enjoy the rest of your day and have fun and love and peace and happiness and have a beautiful life and just fuck off. How was that?